Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from CyanSky. Now this here is their P20 flashlight kit. Comes in this packaging here. Now they sent this to me directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get started with the specs. And as you can see here, 1600 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and get this open, see what's in. And you get one warranty card. This is telling you to remove the plastic piece there on the battery, that it is on there for storage and to keep damaging the battery. You get one, the user manual. Just one-sided. Already went over the specs. And you get one lanyard. You do have one button cover here and one O-ring as well. USB charging cable. And you've got a holster. Now right away, this is a little flimsy, so not real happy with this. Definitely a weak point of this kit. No real padding on it. The material here is good, but this is just real thin. No D-ring. There's a little bit of a loop on here, but that's about it. So definitely something you want to store your light in. This will be fine. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. And there it is. Does have a clip on this. Now you can remove it if you don't want it on there. It's got some flexibility there to it. Got the side switch there. Got your tail clicky. Now there is a little bit of area here, we can call it heat sinking, but it's not very deep at all. Definitely more for cosmetic. Now this is a complete kit. Does come with a battery. Now the style and design on this is nice. Not seeing any issues. Nice flat finish on here, but very smooth. No sharp edges, so the machining and finish on this is very nice. And remember, these are very budget friendly flashlights that I've tested from them and reviewed so far, and that's a huge plus because it's a big market out there. It's almost like a race to make the best flashlight for the best price, and there's a lot of companies out there fighting for your money, so, and that's good for us. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflector. Now it's kind of a shallow reflector there, but this is running the Luminus SST-40 LED. That looks good. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this apart and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. There's the spring, pretty heavy duty. Well greased threads. This is the piece that they want you to remove. And I'll show you the battery that it comes with here. Is an 18650. Now this is a 2600 milliamp. Does have the charging port built right in the side of that. This is a 10 amp cell, so it's going to provide you good run times. Now if you need more run times, of course you can get a higher milliamp 18650. They are available. Or if you have extra on hand, you're ready to go. Make sure it has a button top and you'll have no issues. Straight contact point down in there, as you can see. And now let's go through the UI. Now the UI is pretty straightforward on this as well. You've got both a tactical attitude here as well as everyday carry. It's always nice, feels good in the hands. Nice size, as you can see there. So that's a big plus. That feels good too. And you can pressure action that. If you want to leave it on, full press that. Okay, so now we're going to activate the light, and now we're going to go through the UI. A lot of light coming out of that. Let's go to about right here. We'll show you the beam. Good combination beam on this. I was really impressed with it earlier. A little bit of bleeding around here around the edge, which is not a lot. Centralized hotspot. Not a super sharp cutoff on that spill, but definitely tapers off right at the end right there. And give you a good area coverage, especially if you're focusing in on something on the hotspot. You can still see where you're stepping. Highest output there. Now on any light level, you can press and hold side switch, will get you strobe, and that is variable on the speed of flash, so it is very distracting. Press and hold that, it will go back to the last light output you had it on. This does have memory mode, so if you're law enforcement, you want that highest output, there you go. Only when you need it, it's on. Need it to stay on, you're ready. Nice beam on that. Intense too. Feel the heat on it. This is getting pretty warm here. Not hot, but it's getting warm here. Alright. Very nice build quality on this. Not seeing any issues. I was very impressed with that first light that they sent to me, and they wanted me to test more of their lights, kind of show them on my channel. So there'll be more coming from this company very shortly. So that's always nice to hear. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the CyanSky P20. Let's go ahead and get started. Starts off on the lowest level, of course. Good for up close. Got some good range even at this light output there as it is on the fence. Kind of give you an idea. Water spout 35 feet there. Making that pretty good. Let's go to the next level, see how it does. Spill has come alive. Water spout, again 35 feet, 65 feet here to this tree. Nice combination beam. There it is on the fence, give you an idea. Making 138 feet now to the tree of life. Now I list all my distances in my testing area here. So if you have any issues or any doubts or just want to check them out, I have a link in every video I do down in the description area. There's the next level. It's actually an impressive beam. Making it across the park there now to those playgrounds. Making 238 feet there to the tree behind the tree of life. Again, 138 feet there. Impressive beam. Making it to the school as well. There's the next level, look at that. More than enough light output for most situations. Mainly making that first palm tree too. So that's pretty good. There's the tree behind it, 238 feet to that tree there. Really impressive. Making it across the park to those playgrounds there. Pretty far away too. To a beam profile here, just straight up and down basically. Very nice performance. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. This P20 is impressive. Very nice beam performance, which is surprising, especially for the price that you'll pay for this. Really one of my favorite type of lights are budget lights. Of course, you know, the more expensive lights are always great, but not a lot of people want to spend that kind of money on that type of particular device. Most people will spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a, you know, a sports car, you know, but they will not spend $50 or more on a flashlight. So it just kind of depends on the person. I know a lot of people that'll spend thousands of dollars on a light. Hey, I agree with them. They're really nice. Always nice to have them, have that wow factor. If it's something you definitely need and you're spending a couple $100s on it, I don't see any issues with that as well. But it really depends on the person. What they spend on a light is what they spend. I don't agree. I don't even allow this in my group for people to shame other people simply because they bought a $50 light, a $20 light. I don't allow it in my group because people see value a little bit differently, especially when it comes to flashlights. Same goes for cell phones or whatever. I don't see why someone would spend, you know, $2,000 or $1,500 on a cell phone. No, that's just me. But I would never shame someone for it. And the same goes for CyanSky. This here, if you buy this light, you're going to be happy with the performance. Not only that, but in build quality. And I really am impressed with them. That's why I feature them on my channel. I get a lot of lights that come to me, and there are some hit and misses. And I really don't want to feature a light that I'm just going to sit there and bash and put it down what's the use of that? That's not something you're going to want to see. You come to my channel, I'm going to show you something that you may want to buy, or if you have any questions, you're not really sure, and you say, hey, you know what, it did well in the night shots, then you say, hey, because of your video, you made my decision easier. I get that a lot, and I'm happy with that. I'm not out to be better than anybody else when it comes to reviewing flashlights, so I just want to bring more and more of these budget lights as well as more expensive ones. Whatever they send me, they're good quality, at least good quality or above, then they're going to be featured on my channel. So sorry, I digress. But in any case, this light here, flashlight kit, is very nice, especially for the price that you'll pay. Also, the holster is the only weak point here on this light. And it does fit it nice and tight, but it's just really flimsy and thin here. Carrying that, eventually this is going to work loose. I don't think this is very strong in my opinion for an everyday carry. Maybe an occasional carry, I think this will do fine, or storing the light, this will be fine. But in any case, the reason why I say holsters are important, especially if you're paying, let's say you spent $200 on a light. The holster is cheap, comes undone after a couple of months, and you lost the flashlight, can't find it. It's in the holster somewhere, but it's no longer on your belt. Then you're like, wow, I spent all that money on a flashlight and a holster that won't even hold it. So that's why I say, you know, holsters are critical, especially for someone that's going to be using them. Don't use lanyards too much on the smaller lights, but I do on my bigger lights. Now I want to thank CyanSky for sending me this P20 flashlight kit to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, remember it comes with everything you need in this box. I will leave a link in the description area. I am working on a special discount code. If I get that, it'll be there as well, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from CyanSky to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.